In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change bullet points in Canva. If you're building a presentation, a social post, or a simple flyer, clean bullet points make your content easier to scan and remember. The good news is that Canva keeps this process simple, and we'll walk through it together so you know exactly what to click and what to expect. First, open your design in Canva and locate the text you want to format as a list. Click the text. A single click selects the entire text box, which is perfect if you want the whole block to become a list. If you only want part of the text to have bullets, drag to highlight just the specific lines you want to format. Canva treats each separate line as a list item, so it helps if your items are written on their own lines. That way, when the bullets are applied, each point stays neat and aligned. You don't need to change fonts or colors first. The bullets will automatically match the styling of whatever text you've selected, keeping your design consistent. Next, at the top, click the list icon. You'll find it in the toolbar above your design canvas. It looks like a series of small dots with lines next to them. Click once to turn bullets on for your selected text. Instantly, a bullet will appear at the start of each line you selected, and the spacing will adapt to your current text settings. If you change your mind, just click the same list icon again to remove the bullets. The list will return to normal body text, and your original alignment and styling will remain intact. A few quick tips to keep your list looking professional. Keep each point concise so the bullets do their job, drawing attention to the most important ideas. Because bullets inherit your text style, make sure your font size and color are readable against the background before you apply them, so you don't have to revisit those choices later. If your text is centered or right-aligned, don't worry. The bullets will follow your alignment settings, helping the list fit naturally into your layout. And if you're working from a template, the same steps apply. Click the text, then click the list icon, so you can adapt any design into a clear, skimmable list in seconds. That's all there is to it. Click the text, then click the list icon at the top, and your bullet points are ready to go. Try it on a few different text blocks to see how it looks across your design, and you'll have crisp, consistent lists in no time.